Good medical morning. I'm Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to take a look at the condition known as bacterial folliculitis. Bacterial folliculitis is a common skin condition in which hair follicles become inflamed. It's usually caused by bacterial or fungal infection. At first, it may look like small red bumps or white-headed pimples around hair follicles, the tiny pockets from which each hair grows. The infection can spread and turn into non-healing, crusty sores. As you look at several pictures and images of the condition, please help us come up with a fun name to use in future titles for the condition. How about ingrown pimples or killer whiteheads? The condition isn't life-threatening, but it can be itchy, sore, and embarrassing. Severe infections can cause permanent hair loss and scarring. If you have a mild case, it'll likely clear in a few days with basic self-care measures. For more serious or recurring folliculitis, you may need to see a doctor for prescription medicine. Let's see what Dr. Mejia has to say about the condition.
What is folliculitis? Well, follicle is a hair follicle and itis is inflammation. So folliculitis is the inflammation of the hair follicle. And this can account from a variety of different reasons. It can account from irritation from clothing, from biking, from spandex, from shorts where you get an irritation around the hair follicle. Women
Before we continue and show you my favorite pimple popper kit, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and click the notification bell if you enjoy the video. We bring you at least one medical video every week with bizarre skin conditions and medical procedures. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Finergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Finergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Finergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.